as you guys can see, this window was amateurly built.
Yes, by the Common Sense Sisters.
Yeah, so
we used few tools: a chair, dining chair, and little pins.
Yes.
Above and ourselves.
Okay, so let's see. Can you see the little pins? Some of them are white.
Yes.
White,
yellow, blue, red.
So these are the pins we use.
Push pins can be gotten from
anywhere,
like the dollar store or whatever.
Yeah, anywhere. Push pins. And these are their colors. That's what we use for pinning the blackout blanket curtains.
So this was because the people that walk beside us, their light is very bright in the night.
Hey.
So therefore, me, I cannot sleep. And I decided that I want cotton.
And so
but I did not know where to get cotton from. And the cotton that I was seeing, I was not liking them. Plus, Common Sense Sisters like to work on the budget. So Yo came up with this brilliant idea because we have so many blankets at home.
Yes.
Because we live in Canada.
Yeah.
So she was like, why don't we use a blanket as a curtain? And I'm like, oh, my Common Sense sister, you are brilliant!
Yes.
And so we began to search for the best possible blanket that will also provide a dark shade at night. Their curtains called
I think it's called blackout.
Blackout curtains.
Yes.
Why get blackout curtains when you have a
blanket, blackout, beautiful zebra-looking curtain?
And so, 2 months ago, we came up with this. And this is the way. After pinning everything, in order for you to have light into your room in the daytime, you use something very common as an elastic band.
Yes, rubber band.
Can everybody see this? Or if you're a woman or a man with a ponytail, you will also have a hair band. You can also use it. You wake up in the morning. After you stretch like this,
arise and shine.
You arise and shine. Then you begin to fold. In a crisp manner. You fold. Then you join from this side. Because anybody got time for that.
Yeah.
You hold like this. With your rubber band in
your hands.
I assume everybody in the world calls it rubber band. You tie. You rubber. You band. This is a work of art that nobody but the Common Sense Sisters will give to you.
Yes.
You band. You need your band to be very elastic because if your band is stingy with elasticity,
it's going to cut on you.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. My Common Sense sister.
Yeah, I know some people say, but there's blind there now, but the light penetrates.
Please.
The light penetrates, so we need to.
So you just go like this, go like this, go like this, and voila. You have a tied curtain. Now you come over here with the blinds, and for adequate brightness, you begin to screw. You open. And voila, let there be light.
Let there be light.
However, after going through this for numerous months, Ella was tired of tying and tying. And she said to Yo, I deserve a curtain. And we went for a hunt. And in the next videos, you would see the curtain magically appearing.
Yes.
And our favorite curtain man putting it up.
Yay. And you can see, it's not every blanket, though. This one, they are soft.
They are soft, though. Don't go
soft.
And you can provide blackout.
And it's light.
Night.
Yes, exactly.
Yes,
and it's also very light.
Yes.
So,
yes. For more Common Sense, keep watching the video.
See, we have used our Common Sensical office chair. And
or you can use a dining chair if you don't have.
Yes, so
and we are pinning.
You can climb, unless you are 6'5".
Then you can reach it.
Yeah.
And we are pinning
the curtains. To the wall using these pins.
Using these pins. I don't know what these pins are called, but like, I don't know.
I don't know. Let me see it in the light.
Oh.
No, give me your hand.
Oh, sorry.
Because I want to put it in my hand. Yeah, so you can see these pins. So Ella will be pinning it to the wall because obviously these houses, they are built with wood, so it's easy. So you
don't try this with brick, oh.
No,
I'm not responsible.
So it's directly to the wall, not this thing.
Yeah, you pin it to the wall through the blanket.
Yeah, that's why you need a soft blanket, very soft, and then pin to the wall. Okay, let's
like
see
so.
The result with your hand. Yeah, so
voila.
You can see that. Yeah.
You have a full curtain.
Yay. Okay, so look at somebody's singing. Oh.
Jesus.
Oh, don't call him because he didn't call you when you were putting up the blanket.
Yo, what's happening?
So we're gonna be pinning the blackout blanket out because the curtain man is here. The one who customized the curtains is here.
Yeah, he's going to install the rods and the curtains. So it's been fun while this lasted in the last 2 months.
Yeah.
We just unpin.
Yeah, just
simple.
Very easy.
unpin. Oh, yeah. Well, yes, here. She'll help me hold the pins. We just unpin. Unpin.
I got here. You can put in my hand.
Okay. Thank you. Then I will come down and roll myself. Yay!
Roll
your boat. Wow, I'm climbing again. See? Hey! Am I not facing my fears like this of heights?
You are. It's not easy.
Ah, Jesus.
Okay.
Another pin.
Yes.
Now the blanket is becoming heavier just because all the weight is left on one pin.
Yeah.
So ensure that you're also holding the blanket at the same time.
Yep.
For the final pin, voila.
Yay.
And we have our blinds back.
Now blanket will be back to work.
Blanket duties.
Blanket duties.
So here you and I at the curtain store.
Yes. We're trying to get curtains for the house.
Yeah.
It has lots of beautiful curtains, just like Nigeria. These things are so pretty. So pretty.
Sisters. My name is Ella. Her name is Yo-Yo. See, we're risking it all. It's raining. We have gel.
It's windy.
It's windy and it's drizzling. So we're just here to open the vlog. This is our cutting vlog.
Yes.
We are searching for nice curtains for our rooms and what living room in the house and whatever.
Yeah.
So we're just taking you all through this journey. We're going to see our custom-made curtain man named John.
John, the custom-made
Custom.
No, as ladies of common sense, we shop around.
To the main source.
Best of the best. Always from the best.
Yes. Oh, we forgot to take our common sense spot.
Hey, thank you, you guys. Thank you so much, everyone, for always so much comments,
likes, subscribing, everything but sharing, suggestions. We appreciate you all. You all are the real G.
Yes, and we welcome the new
subscribers. Welcome. And to those of you that are yet to subscribe, please make a joyful donation to YouTube by subscribing to our channel.
It's free.
It's free. Oh my God, you don't have to pay for it. Click the subscribe button and then we'll start running into the place with our face mask. Of course, we'll see how things go. This week, wear your own.
My mask.
Let them see you wearing it. See gloves, everything. Oh, we're ready. The man of okay, so I'm gonna wear mine now.
No, they pull the leg like that. Walk straight. Where you're on camera, if you like, they walk out like Percy when you go.
You say? Yeah, the one who told me that my leg is this way.
Now you don't walk out that way now. I might be one. I always come here every single weekend.
Yeah.
Every single weekend.
It's always enjoyable.
And that's what start paying us to come.
curtains.
Oh, this is so nice.
Beautiful.
This is so pretty.
This is so pretty.
Who knows? We might go with this.
Because
These are the blackout curtains. It's too heavy. What's this plain white one? Then it's got blinds.
this is too great. This is too great.
Can't even read.
So you know outside how they have the green.
This is the gold of the gold.
It's like the green outside.
If you are in Toronto or anywhere, hit us up in our DMs for John's details. We'll send it to you. John has the best curtains in Toronto, hands down. Custom made, hands down. The best curtains and blinds, and he'll fix it for you if you want. It looks like velvety.
It is velvet. It is velvet.
Hey John, how are you? We are doing John.
Which color you want?
I think the new
Do you like
ones
the
we're
white
talking
one?
These
about.
are new ones. These I just have put them there yesterday. Believe it or not. Then have these ones. These are not heavy because you have blinds there.
Yeah.
Someone's trying to pick up our curtain rods.
You gonna install it?
No.
I can install it.
Yeah.
Yeah, hey!
I can't. What? It's so what?
She ain't doing no DIY. No, we have to give it to the professional. So which one are you going for?
I'm going for this one.
The gold one.
35.
Okay.
I can give you. What's your deposit policy?
$100.
Yeah. Oh, see, we're reading our mind. Because that's what we're thinking, right?
Doesn't matter how much you have there. Just fine.
No, we're
Are we buying lemons?
Give me
Just give it the
$40.
100.
Give me $40. Give me tip. Then I do it for you. Is that okay?
How much
Yes.
is 100?
20, 40. Because we're buying fruits now. I'm not getting lemons.
So we'll give you the 200, we'll give you the rest when you come.
Yeah, when I put it up for you, you can give me the rest.
Thank
Thank you, John.
Okay.
Yay! So we got him
see
for
you
Ella's
next
cut.
Monday. Okay, so we have succeeded in finalizing curtains for Ella's room, but we're holding off on the living room for now.
I'm so confused right now.
We're so
'cause
confused on what we want.
John has
The best
beautiful
curtains
stuff.
ever. So right now,
Very unique.
we're going to get lemons
I think we'll get lemons.
and we'll be heading home.
Yes, yes.
Oh, the
rain in these streets. I'm looking for a cow. Birdies!
Peekaboo.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Yeah. Okay. Where's the curtains? Oh, the poles look very nice.
Don't worry, you're not in it.
Oh, you want to be? You want to be in it? See all John's too.
Yeah. John is here. And John brought the ladder. John brought the ladder.
He's a custom designer.
Okay.
Yeah, that was at the back. There was one visitor parking lot.
Yeah.
There's only two there.
No, there are many of them.
There's some on the left, but like it's very
But there
far.
was at the beginning. There's two.
Oh yeah. There are two parking.
Yeah, and then
It's really long. Oh, it's very long.
Nice. I brought that one there. I thought maybe it's not going to be.
Just in
enough.
case if it's
Only
not
enough
that
there.
long. Oh. Okay. That's great. Let me know if you need anything like water or something.
Oh, my goodness.
Okay. There's no way we would have been able to do this ourselves. Not everything is not everything is DIY. I'll probably have to show the curtain in the daytime because it's already evening. Read your tech instructions. I'm not reading this today.
oh,
I'm not the one
to be
doing this
executed by the professionals.
today. Yes, not me. That's it.
We're not using a knife.
What's that?
We used to use knife to do all this.
They
We can't
all
even
stop.
do that with
Why are you turning and turning and turning? Yeah, life is just easy. Do this drill.
professionals. And I see them. Oh, you video?
Yeah, I did. I'll turn around. Shiny. It's not DIY today. Sometimes you need professional help. That time is now. detail so nice.
What can you do?
Yeah. It's part of this process. You know, you can
Get that one
better.
there. Get the other one.
This one.
Yes.
Okay.
Eight.
Oh, see.
And this one.
Apparently, I can't count two. Okay.
Now you can count.
I'll get this one.
One.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Four curtains. 1. So that's 32.
Oh, so it extends like that.
So what's the last one? What's this one for?
That's, I thought maybe your window was a little bit too wider, but it's not. I thought maybe this is going to be too short, but this is too big. I'll grab the big one.
Oh.
Okay. Now,
Like a wedding dress.
now you can come this way. Thank you for helping.
You're
She's
welcome.
helping,
I
yeah?
am. There's no way I'm meant to do this ourselves. No way.
You will now extend.
It's not even touching the floor.
Yeah,
It's not touching the floor. It's nice.
I got you.
That's that's
Is your name Johnny?
John.
John.
You're really Johnny.
Thank you so much.
Oh my god.
Okay.
I am so happy.
Oh. Oh.
Ta-da!
Thank you so much, John.
I'm going to keep this for when we're moving out. Because we'll need to take this out. I'm going to keep this paper. It's so beautiful. Oh my God. It makes the room look bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
It does, yeah.
Oh!
And make it warmer too.
Yes!
And winter is here! Okay. So do I keep the nails as
You
well?
can keep this one.
Okay.
You can keep this one if you like.
Okay.
You want this?
No, I don't need that one. Because I don't need that.
No, no.
Okay.
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 So
I
what
was
do you-
like, what? No, I'm no longer using my blankets.
Yeah. How do you feel about your new
I
curtains?
feel good!
Let's see your face.
Actually, it looks very nice.
Yeah. Okay, so right now we're in the room in the dark. Can you see my glasses moving? Well, we're gonna be using something special to show you all how we're seeing y'all. Okay, it's called the selfie light. Wait for it. That's it. And we're gonna be increasing.
The lights.
Oh, it went off.
Wow.
We increase the light again.
Increase it! Is that the highest?
Yeah, that's high. So we got these selfie lights. We'll put a picture there
It's like a mini ring light for your phones.
Yeah.
From the source.
from the source. So that's what
When
we're
we went to
using.
Yorkdale.
So this is our first time using it, and I think
Yes.
pretty much it looks pretty good.
At least it's showing up the lights in the room. This is anything bringing lights because the curtains are purely black
Dark.
out like that.
Exactly.
John did a great job. I've slept in the room, or rather, we slept in the room, and it was pitch black, which is what I wanted. So
Exactly. So it's really nice. You can see the curtains behind us, right? So I hope you enjoyed this vlog
Yes,
and
yes, yes.
installation. And if you're in the Toronto area, make sure you take down John's details
yes,
and check him out at the
Tell him.
Downsview Market.
Tell him you are from Common
Ella.
Sense Sisters.
Common Sense is that Ella and Yo-Yo.
Oh yeah, Ella and Yo-Yo, because he won't know Common Sense is telling you from Ella and Yo-Yo.
Ella and Yo-Yo.
Yes.
Yeah.
And remember to do the 5 things before you leave if you've not already done so. Number 1,
Subscribe.
2, like,
Share.
comment, and turn on the notification bell so you
Exactly.
get notified whenever we post our
Our
videos.
Yeah. And tell us your favorite part of the vlog and if you learned something new.
Yes.
Because for those of you that have not made up your mind to buy curtains or you don't know how to, select the
about
right
that,
curtains
yeah.
and all that, the blanket ideas and push pins, did it come to your mind?
Do you have common sense like that?
Exactly. So let us know in the comment section and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Make common sense
Never depart from you. Bye.